Today is April 5th, 2026. It's about 1 p.m. local time in Istanbul. So this morning, I took a 3-hour bus from Bursa back to Istanbul. I just arrived in Istanbul because I arrived at a different bus station for which the name I cannot really pronounce right now. It's a different one, and I figured out there is a tram line, tram 5. It took me to metro station M2, and I'm on my way to my hotel for today and tomorrow. And on the way to the metro station, I saw this beautiful bay lined with houses, flags, and mosques. Wow. The metro is up there. It's wow. It's me! Again, I have my luggage with me, so it'll be a trying journey back to my hotel, but the good thing though is sunny. I don't have to hold the umbrella. How nice is this? What a wonderful gift. Thank you so very much. I really enjoy this beautiful waterfront, and I thought today I don't have to put sunscreen, which I did not, and now I just feel like I'm naked without sunscreen. It's pretty bright. In any event, I'm going back to my hotel. See you a bit. Okay, so I figured out this part of M2 metro is crossing water. You see how the track is built across water? And I need to go to the other side because the direction is that I want is more towards the south. Wow. What a phenomenal thing. That's another bridge for the vehicles, for the cars. Houses in Istanbul. Now I have to do the stairs to go to my track, which is on the right side. Excuse me. Okay, I checked into my hotel room for the last 2 nights in Istanbul before I fly back to Michigan. And this is a room. They upgraded me. Thank you very much. This room so clean. Smells really good. Hot surface floor. A full bed and a little refrigerator. And it's just very clean. Smells really good. They upgraded me from 2 twin beds to a 4 bed. So it's a much bigger room. Clean. Light coloring. So this is a bit more expensive. I think I paid $45 a night. So it's $90 for 2 nights. Very good price. And good quality, good value. And they also gave me a breakfast for tomorrow morning and the morning before before my flight. And I have windows all. That's best. I always sleep with my window open. It's me. After hotel check-in, I went back out. This is such a, the afternoon is still very young. I took the tram number 5 back, and I noticed that in tram number 5 there are 2 stops. One is a Ferner, the other is a Balat. I did some Google search. I was told that Balat and Ferner are 2 very distinctive old town neighborhoods. So I'm gonna start with Balat. A lot of tourists here, so I'm sure I will see something fun and interesting. Hello, birds! I will just follow the crowd. Just follow them. Wow, this is so happening. It's a sunny Friday afternoon, early April. Lots of cars, and there is no traffic lights. You just jump in. Just jump in. Okay. Lots of flags. I see flags everywhere. This country is very patriotic. People love their country. Turkey is beautiful. Wow. Back to old town valleys. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I just follow the crowd. Coffee shops. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, the party pink houses. Yeah.
Buyurun.
It is colorful. See, those bricks are really antique. I see them everywhere. I love old towns. I love visiting old towns. It just gives me, you see how in the old times people live here. Every household knows every other house. Look at this door. I think it's all wood. It is. Green. Just enough tree to provide some
he's up there.
shade, not shade. Nice music. Nice music. Flags, more flags. It's me.
Kişi başı
So cute. Old table. I smell grilled meat, like kebab. Smell kebab. Wow. This is a police vehicle. Police. I don't know how you say it, but it won't be very far from being called the police. Should be very close. Oh, they're baklava. They're dessert. Every piece has half a pound of sugar. Banissimo. Wow. Coffee. Balat. That's how they spell it. B-A-L-A-T. Balat. Balat. Sounds like a girl's name, like a Balat, or maybe Balat, like a form of dancing. Okay, I have about 20% battery left on this battery. I have a backup one. Oh, they have mussels.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, how do you sell? Mussels.
Yes, mussels.
I bought 5. It's 50 lira. And they give you a piece of lemon and hand cleaning. That's how it looks like. I think it's stuffed. They put some I think he put some also, I found a nice, it's called a fish wrap or fish taco. So he just grilled the fish and wrapped it up with the condiments. This is such a cute street. I get to eat all the good stuff, not just chicken. I get to eat seafood. He put some onions, salads. It's a fish taco. And then I believe he wrapped it up and then grill again. So the shell is warm too. And then he put on some sauce. It's called Balat something. Balat duru. So 240. He's removing the needle. I mean, not the bones. This is so happening. So great. It's English, right? English fish wrap. The rom. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Thank you. The fish taco was good. Has a bunch of foreign spices to my knowledge base. It was 240. And I asked the owner to cut the sandwich in halves. So I had 1/2 and the other half is in my backpack. I want to save up some stomach room for something else because I still have one more old town to go to, which is a Ferner. Now my mouth smells fishy. I don't know what kind of fish was it, but you know, it's good for a change, right? I have been eating chicken as a major meat source, so having something that's different. Look at how old. I love the protruding balcony windows. This part is so quiet. Oh, they do open air laundry. I love it. I love their windows protruding out. I have to remember this is in Turkey, not in Greece. Sometimes I get lost. Like, it feels like I'm in Greece because today's weather is so cooperative. It's in low 60s. On my face, I got 2 mosquito bites. I think I heard buzzing sound from a mosquito in the room, but it's not itchy. I just have 2 bumps on my face. That mosquito usually don't bite my face. They either, bite my neck or something. I love this balcony window. The color too. Look at that color, yellow and green. Yellow and green. Okay. I love the window. So one characteristic structural feature is this protruding window. 90 degrees out. 90 degrees out. Okay, I'm gonna take a pause. Come back to you.